In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start the eBay dropshipping. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm not going to waste your time. By the way, I'm not here to sell you a course or to send you to a software that you can use to like dropship. I don't even use software. I'm going to be showing you guys why I don't use software and I used it in the past and my experience. Okay, so as you can see, but first, before I start showing you guys what supplier I use for dropshipping on eBay and my earnings on eBay, I'm actually going to show you guys every single thing you need to know. So by the end of this video, you will be able to dropship the correct way. But you have to apply the exact same steps that I'm about to show you in this video. This video is all you need, guys, to start your dropshipping journey. I have helped like thousands of people to start dropshipping on eBay. Okay, so let's get started right now. Like I said, guys, I'm going to answer your questions on my previous video. Here the first comment says, does eBay allow dropshipping from Temu and AliExpress? The answer is yes, somehow, like if you do this the correct way. Like if you, a lot of people say, okay, eBay is not allowing dropshippers, it's not allowed to dropship from AliExpress and Temu, but like if you are not allowed, then why eBay is allowing millions of people dropship from AliExpress to eBay? I'm not saying, like, I'm not going to say millions, but let's say that 200,000 people are dropshippers on eBay, and eBay is not doing anything to stop these dropshippers because they are making money. Okay, eBay is making like money on each transaction, so they have nothing to lose. Okay, so I just like, this is just one of my eBay accounts. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys these accounts because like I did that in the previous video and a lot of people started to copy me, but yeah, I'm just going to go back here. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys need to do to start dropshipping. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to answer other questions here. What if the product goes out of stock on AliExpress? Do you have an order to fulfill on eBay? Okay, so just keep in mind, this is not going to happen. Like, you guys think about something that is not going to happen. Why? Because if the product is out of stock on AliExpress, there are other thousands of sellers selling the exact same product. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to go to AliExpress and I'm going to search here, for example, for a random product just like this. Okay, this product is out of stock. Okay, I am dropshipping this product on eBay. I sold it. I'm actually dropshipping this exact product on eBay. It's a winning product, by the way, if you want to list it. Okay, but it's not going to be a winning product anymore after a lot of people watch this video. That's why I'm going to show you guys how you can find winning products the correct way. Okay, this video is all you need, like I said. Okay, so if this product is out of stock, let's say it's out of stock, if you scroll down, you will find the exact same products. So this product is not going to be out of stock, especially on AliExpress, where like there are thousands of sellers selling the exact same thing. Okay, so let's answer another question here. It says, thank you very much, brother. What about the location of the product? Do you make it with do you make it from China or just leave your original address? The item location should be the location of the item on AliExpress or Amazon. Okay, like if you are dropshipping from AliExpress, which I always recommend you guys to dropship from AliExpress, I am going to show you guys why you should dropship from AliExpress and not dropship from any supplier. Okay, dropship from AliExpress, I really recommend you guys to dropship from AliExpress, and I'm going to show you guys all the reasons you need to know about why AliExpress is better option. Is a better option. Okay, so it says here, okay, if you are dropshipping from AliExpress, the item location should be China. Okay, that's very obvious thing. What do you put for item location on eBay if dropshipping from AliExpress? The answer again is China. Okay, China, and the city is going to be the capital of China. Okay, what do I do for the delivery section on eBay with listing an item? Because my product on AliExpress has free shipping, but apparently I have to pay for shipping, which I am not going to use. I don't understand exactly what this guy is saying. What do you mean, bro? What shipping are you going to pay? So I don't really know what this guy means. Like you just need to offer free shipping. Like if the product on AliExpress is free, is offers free shipping, which is most of the time. By the way, if you are going to pay $2 for the shipping on AliExpress, you can just add that $2 in the product price and then offer free shipping, because it's all about the marketing. Like there is no product here on AliExpress that offers free shipping. There is no way they can send you a product with free shipping, because the shipping company have to get the money in order to ship the product. So they just include the price of the shipping in the product price and make you think that you are not paying for the shipping. Okay, here it says here, what about the adding shipping method on eBay? Do you use a credit card to purchase items from AliExpress? Yes, I use credit card and PayPal. Sometimes you are not allowed to use credit card if you are shipping the product to, let's say, Africa or some countries in Europe. But if you are shipping the product, if the address of the customer is from United States, you will be able to use PayPal to buy from AliExpress. By the way, AliExpress is a safe e-commerce website. There is nothing to worry about. Okay, it says what is with the shipping price? The customer has to pay it, right? Just copy the other competitors on eBay. That's why I am going to show you guys how you can search for winning products. You don't even have to worry about the price and stuff like that. You can just copy everything from your competitors that are dropshipping from, let's say, AliExpress. Okay, here, do you buy the item from AliExpress? How do you send the tracking code to the customer? Once you ship the product, then you can just add the tracking number, just like this. As you can see, I have added the tracking number here. Okay, that's it. It's not hard at all. How can I contact you? You can contact me on Instagram if you want. Okay, I have my Instagram on the channel. You can just contact me. I also offer, guys, a Fiverr gig here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to add the link in the comments of this video. I will do everything. I will just take your store from zero to hero, like they say. I will do everything. I will list products, find winning products, set up your eBay store for dropshipping, show you, like, answer all your questions. Basically, you can also call me directly in a video call, and I will answer all your questions. I already like helped a client here. As you can see, this is their 3 days ago I helped someone here. One of my clients here, this guy Mohammed, have tried some gigs in here, but they were okay in some point. But Mohammed, nobody can compete with him. Thank you. So he's outstanding, hands down. He helps me above and beyond to achieve my goals. So I will do the same for you guys. If you go to Fiverr, I will do everything for you. I will just access your account using your eBay settings. I don't even need your password, by the way. I will list products and guaranteed sales. So I will guarantee sales. If you don't receive sales, I will refund you guys, full refund. Okay, so let's start. Let me show you guys exactly how you can find your winning products. Okay, because I already answered all the questions here on my previous video. Sorry if I don't answer any other questions from other videos, but let me show you guys the most important thing here. Like, AliExpress is the best supplier to use to dropship on eBay. I am going to show you why. What you know about AliExpress is not AliExpress is not what it's used to be. Now the shipping time now is faster than ever. Like, the shipping time is going to take from 5 days to 7 days. Yes, that's true. Okay, it's not like like 10. A lot of people say the shipping time is going to be 20 days. No, it's not. AliExpress has changed a lot. I have been using AliExpress for 5 years, and it just gets better and better and better and better. Okay, so I would recommend you guys to use AliExpress because the profit margin is very high, and also they don't ship the product with the package, the logo in the package, so you don't really have a problem with customers receiving the item. But if you dropship, let's say from Tamo, they include the Tamo logo in the package, and there are some customers that will say, oh my god, if I wanted to order this from Tamo, I would just do that myself. I'm not going to purchase it from eBay. But it happened to me. I just sent them a message saying, sorry, we didn't have the item in stock, but after you purchased the item, we didn't want to cancel the item, so that we used Tamo to send the item because it's available there. But most of the customers, they are not going to be happy about this. Okay, so you want to go to AliExpress and find a random product. Let's say this product, okay? I already told you it's a winning product, okay? You want to copy the title, okay? And go to eBay, okay? Now, after you go to eBay, I'm going to go to eBay right now. Okay, I'm going to, actually, I am going to, yeah, I'm copy the title and go to eBay and then paste the title there, okay? Of course, if you live outside of the United States, this works for people who don't live in the United States. You want to click on your country in the top right on your eBay and then switch from your country to United States, okay? So I'm going to do that right now. Click on United States, click on done, okay? So after, guys, you click on done, then what you guys need to do is you want to search for competitors. What I mean by competitors is dropshippers that are dropshipping from AliExpress. Now this guy is dropshipping from AliExpress. I'm going to click on his listings and he sold 16 items, okay? How we can know if this guy is dropshipper or not? Easy, okay? You want to scroll down, and as you can see, I'm sorry, this is not a dropshipper, so I was wrong, okay? This guy is the item is located in United States, so this guy is not a dropshipper, okay? I'm going to search for another one, okay? I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see this one, for example, and this guy has sold 4 items, okay? And I'm going to scroll down, and the item location here is not China. So this is not a dropshipper. He's not dropshipping from AliExpress. I'm going to search for someone who is dropshipping from AliExpress. Now I'm going to click this. I'm going to scroll down. This guy is not also dropshipping from AliExpress. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down again, and I'm going to pause this video and search for someone, where the item location is China, okay? As you can see, from China, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on the item, okay? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can see or how you can check if this product is a winning product or not. Now as you can see, this guy has sold 11 items, okay? So he is selling this product. I'm going to click on black color or blue color. As you can see, he's selling it for $10, and the cost of the item from AliExpress is $5, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to go to eBay right now, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to go back to the listing. Okay, he sold, like I said, 11 products. Now, how we can know if this product is a winning product? First, you want to check the item location. We already did that. It's China. But the location of the store, you need to check it too. Right click on the username of the of the store, and then you want to click on it again on the username, and then you want to click on about. As you can see, this guy is from Israel, okay? So this guy is a dropshipper. Why? Because the item location is from China and his location is from Israel. So he is dropshipping from AliExpress, and that's what we want. We want to find dropshippers so that we can copy them, okay? So I am going to show you guys how this works. Now he sold 11 items. Now what you guys need to do is you want to search for this extension. You want to download this extension that will help you to see or to click on these 11 sold items so that you can see when, what time, okay? I'm going to show you what I mean in a few seconds. Just search here for extension sold history eBay. Okay, so just search here for eBay sold history button, click on it, and then you want to add this to Chrome. Click on add the extension, go back and reload the product page on eBay. Now you will be able to see this history button here next to the title. You want to click on it. Now after, guys, you click on it, then you will be able to see how many sales in the last month, which is the most important thing I look at when listing the product. Now this guy has sold more than 3 items in the last month. He sold 5 January, 2 he sold one product in 2 January, another one product in 1 January, one product again in 31 December, another one 27 December. He sold more than 3 items in the last month, which means this product is a winning product. So you need to list this product on eBay. Okay, now you can click on list, and you want to click on sell in the top here, and then right click, copy the title of eBay seller, because this title is proven to work. Don't copy the title from AliExpress. Okay, this is a mistake a lot of people make. Okay, this title is not proven to work. Okay, you want to copy the title from eBay seller after you find the winning product. This is the title you need to copy. Anything else you want to copy it from AliExpress, including the images of the product, including the description. Make sure the description doesn't include any drop shipping word in it. Just check it. It doesn't really happen. Just check the description that it doesn't have any "we support dropshipping," because most sellers on AliExpress, they add the description saying "we support dropshipping," and then you just need to remove that. Okay, so like I said, after you are listing the product, you want to copy the title of eBay seller, because this is proven to work. It works on eBay, even if the product is successful on AliExpress, but the title is not proven to work on eBay. So I'm going to copy what works, and I'm going to get rid of what doesn't work. So you want to copy this title because it's proven to work. Okay, now after that, okay, you made if you have, by the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I hope I don't forget anything. I want to show you guys how you can start this business this year, because this is really the best business you can start. Okay, so if you want to download images from AliExpress, just search for download images AliExpress in the Chrome Web Store, and there is an app that will help you download. There is an extension that will help you download images or videos. Okay, I'm going to click on one of these. There are a lot of extensions here. The one I like, it's called AliSave Plus, or you can use AliExpress Images. I'm going to show you another one. You can use this AliExpress Images download, which is also works better. Now after that, you want to go to AliExpress and download the images. There will be a download button after you download the extension. Now after you download the extension, guys, you just need to download the images and start listing the product. That's all you need to do. Okay, hopefully you already know how to list the product. It's very easy. Just click on sell in the top, and then you can copy this title here, and that's it, and then start listing. Okay, the description, like I said, you want to copy it from AliExpress. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. It's very simple. It's very easy business. I would like to do this. I would like to do this for you if you want me to give me your new account with $0 and a guarantee sales on your eBay store. Okay, just like click the link in the comments, guys, and they will show you how you can do that, and they will actually do that for you. You don't even have to do it. You can just, all you need to do is watch the sales notifications roll in. Okay, so that's exactly how you can find a winning product. Now after you find the winning product, you can also go to their own store where you have found the winning product, and you can check other listing, because this guy is a dropshipper. He is dropshipping all these products from AliExpress. Scroll down and click on sold items, and then you will be able to see all his successful listings, and then you can just search for these listings from AliExpress. For example, this stock market house pad large trader chart. As you can see, you can just copy this exact title, search for it on AliExpress. Make sure it has 3 sales in the last month, by the way. Okay, because if it doesn't have 3 sales in the last month, then people are not interested in this product on eBay. I'm not going to waste my time selling this product. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Now after someone purchases the item from you on eBay, then you go to AliExpress. Instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer. Easy. Okay, that's how dropshipping works, if you don't know that. And then tracking number will be provided to you by AliExpress, and then you can paste it on eBay. Okay, I hope I didn't forget anything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video.